score is so cool. I never seen one of these ladders in person.
I didn't think it was real.
It is though.
They got Black History up there. They start touching people's stuff.
Oh. That's cool. They have a typewriter. You can't touch it though. I didn't touch it. Marvin, stop touching people's stuff. I suggest not to drink more than 2 cans, but you know, get that. But yeah, we're going to Total Wine, then we're meeting at Publix to get some subs, and then we're going to the beach. So yeah, I'm just updating you guys. Oh, people can't drive. But yeah. Made it to Publix. This line is so long.
You gotta put in some work today.
My phone. What do you mean? This is waterproof. What all the seaweed over here? I should have brought my waterproof. Oh, this is strong. Yeah, it's too much seaweed for me. I know it says it's waterproof. I don't know how it's underwater. Hell no. I'm so addicted to my phone. It's like okay, I say we take our shot and we go back. Go back. Take my shoes on. It's hot. Let's get out the water. The water is like real warm. It ain't cold. But I think I'm about to read my book. This is the book that I have. About to read my book, relax, drink my water. I had a White Claw. Not a White Claw. I had a Cutwater. It was real good. I had the mango kind. Let me see if I can find another one. I'll show y'all. Hold up. Okay, y'all. Had the mango margarita. My friend brought me a White Claw. That's why I said White Claw. I haven't drunk it yet, but yeah. So I'm about to read, relax. I'll be back. I don't think I'm getting to work yet, but yeah. It's so hot out here.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke already, so cold in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty faking, so I got your trust, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm money. I'm a dog, I'm money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause they try breaking it in. No condo, second late, never front. You can stay one. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had a lot of show to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog, I'm a body.
repeat. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting that really ain't me. Double tap on that pick and delete. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me going up on a yacht. I'm like, keep going, baby, don't stop. Only one got the key to the box. Katie body like you seen her all. I get messy, you might need a mom. Just like Messi, we kick it a lot. Why she texting, I'm climbing on top. Got me screaming out your first name. Picking up on the first ring. Come do me the worst way. Don't care what no birds say. You was always first play. Got me calling out work today. Come give it to me, baby. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. Front and back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody.
Hey guys, my vlog is like all over the place. I'm about to get ready to go to Connecticut. My flight is at 12:18. It's currently 9:08. I'm supposed to be going to see family, so yeah. I don't even know how this vlog started, honestly, but I'll come back when I'm on my way to the airport or I'm at the airport.
Steven Diaz,
I'm
Juan
waiting inside the airport.
Hernandez,
I'm sitting down waiting for my gate.
David G, Mohammed Karam,
Oh,
Mohammed Karam, and Takis Price. If you heard your name, please come forward immediately to gate G10 with passport in hand.
I still don't know how to ask them, y'all. Like, I don't
If you do
know.
not complete this process, you will not be able to board this
Every
flight.
time is
Thank
different,
you.
so yeah. I'm probably about to read my book. This is the book I'm reading. It's a real spicy book. Spicy. Oh yeah. We made it to Connecticut. We're about to get our rental. Is he taking our car?
Yeah. He just drove off. He just drove off in the car.
That's crazy.
Scan it and it's a different name.
Wow. We're at the liquor store. I'm most likely gonna get me some cold water.
I'm telling you. Yeah, we see the fit.
This is it.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one.
Babes.
I'm from Connecticut.
Sit down. I did my part. I was looking like hell trying to get her there.
I'm from the Sky Channel right now.
She'll be alright. She'll be home in another, week or two?
2 weeks. Good morning, guys. This is what I have. Let me see if I can show you a little bit. I'm not sure what they're from, but this shirt is from Target. And I have these shirts. This is one of her.
Alright.
We're about to take some breakfast shots.
Crack it this early.
Oh, God. I'm sorry, no, it wasn't hungry.
I want my full shot too. You half shot at me.
You're gonna have a shot, but here.
I want my full shot. Hell, that's a shot.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is.
We got over a shot.
Judge it, please.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Not good morning. You want some Red Bull? I got one. Yeah, it's some blueberry too.
And when the baby come out and it's like,
Yo, I really do like love being around Uncle Derek because that nigga just cherishes being around niggas. Sure. He sees niggas together, he's like, oh shit, it's lit.
Alright, come on.
sweep your foot to the left and stop your finger. Rolling down, rolling down.
Outside for real, nigga. This ain't that Florida shit, baby. What are you talking about, baby?
This is not no pregame.
No way. That's
for sure pregame.
Yo, listen. When I was in college, the way me and my niggas used to pregame, we used to get a bottle of Henny. And kill the bottle of Henny.
No way.
And then go out.
That's some you people stuff.
Huh?
That's some you people stuff.
What you mean?
Them YT people.
Nigga, white niggas don't drink Henny. Like, what white people drink Henny?
No way. A lot. No way.
No white people drink Henny.
My dad white friends drink Henny.
Exactly.
Them niggas is niggas. Those are down south white people. That's the difference.
That niggas be drinking way.
These are white people.
No way.
Barely even slept yesterday.
I believe it because you was on the floor. We came to get some. Right. We came to get some, I don't know what we came, peppers. Y'all peppers look weird.
How they look weird?
They're like slimmer and long.
Like, I feel like they're supposed to have a pack with all of them shits, right?
Maybe probably go to like, maybe just go to like the fridge part.
Huh?
You probably go to the fridge part.
With all the different colored peppers. Hey, you can grab some right now. Honestly.
No. Oh, this. But it's only one.
What the fuck is this? Tree pot.
It's only one, so you might as well get the regular.
Tree pot.
Every day of my life, I am blessed. Mess up and praise God. Make money, money it does. My mind, God do to me. I'm not for man. I'm lying. That's what my man did.